many sights to see. And when I look in my window.
Hello traders, Gary Wagner with WFGForex.com, your daily market update for Forex Gold. This is the Forex Gold forecast, the daily report on today's date, Tuesday, the 20th day of April. Gold is currently trading higher on the day at 1138.85. COMEX Gold, New York Gold, has closed. Of course, for those of you who are following our calls, we did issue a buy yesterday. We got in roughly at 1135. Question for the day: does history repeat itself? Think about that. I'm going to talk to you about a scenario that we are witnessing now that's very, very close to something we witnessed at the beginning of February. In terms of fundamentals right now, and this is according to Kitco's top trading analyst, traders once again stepped in to buy the dip and do some bargain hunting in COMEX Gold futures on Tuesday. June COMEX Gold closed up $3.40 an ounce at 1139.20. The gold market was also supported by higher crude oil prices and easing of investor worries regarding the SEC fraud charges against Goldman Sachs, and that in turn increased investors' risk appetite and supported fresh buying interest in gold. Now, today's candle, as it is currently forming, is what we call an inverted hammer. Let me point that out to you. That's today's trading activity. We just hit 139. Of course, the markets are still trading. Now, let's take a look at this scenario. The market had a dark cloud cover, a couple of days of consolidation. We had this long down day, this $30 day. Then we had a hammer or doji-like taking out the lows, running stops. Fresh buying comes back in the market. Of course, we issue our buy signal here. And then the following day, you get an inverted hammer. I want you to take a look at a scenario. This happened February 2nd. We have an incomplete dark cloud cover here. No consolidation, but we have a strong down day. I mean, incredible activity in terms of the down day. And then we actually have this doji that has got a length taking us below 1050. I think it was 1035, but right in here. And then the following day, we had an inverted hammer. Do you see any similarities to what we're witnessing here? In other words, long down day, running stops, inverted hammer. Now, we still have energy in today's candle, of course. This could turn out to be a long white candle if it does go back and test and close near the highs 1146. And when I say close, the fix, meaning the point in which we move over to the following day. But as of now, I really do find it interesting. In terms of support, if I look at our Fibonacci retracement level, that's the 38%, 1133, 1134. We've been looking at it. It also, of course, as we talked about yesterday, corresponds to this top in here. Traders, what am I recommending? Of course, maintain our long position. Right now, we are going to keep our stop at 1122. I see no reason to move it just yet, and see where the market wants to take us. So, where do I see resistance in this market? Currently, we do have resistance at around the 1145 area. That's drawn off of this top right in here. And as you can see, that is the area that we tested in trading during the evening session, but were unable to sustain or hold. So I'm still going to look at that as our interim or the first initial target that we want to look at. The next target that we're going to want to look at is this top right in here, just above 160. And as you can see, on our last rally up right in here, we were not able to take it out. We traded above and opened above it, but closed below it. Consolidation days. Right in here, you can see that it actually went to test those areas, but was unable to take that out. and that's how we ended up trading lower. That's going to be a critical area. And then, of course, we're going to also add our Fibonacci retracement. This is our 23% level at 1168, 1169. So call it 1168 to 1170. Those are the levels that I'm going to look for to test to see how it reacts. If, in fact, we're fortunate enough to see the market continue higher, and for this particular trade to start to pan out and put some profits into our coffers. This has been Gary Wagner with WFGForex.com, your daily market update for Forex Gold. And traders, as always, I'm wishing you good trading. Bye-bye.